Good day, students. Now I'm starting with a new topic that is articles and determiners. In this particular chapter, we'll be learning about the articles and determiners. Fine, determiners are the words that are used before a noun to determine or indicate whether the thing, something specific or particular is being referred to. These are, you can say, this always been used before a noun. You can see in the next examples as well. Like example, these kittens, my friend, any book. So in this we are using before a noun, we are using the things which is being specific. Yes, you can absolutely, you can also say that the things which is being used in the adjective, right? Adjective also noun. So it also modifies a noun as well, but it always comes before a noun. Fine, we'll be explaining you further. So determiners are the words which are placed in front of a noun to make clear what the noun refers to. Fine. I hope that you have about it. Now see the difference between an adjective and a determiner. Adjective always qualifies a noun. Fine. But determiners limits the meaning of the noun. That means wherever the meaning is being given. Like if I would say the house is beautiful. Here I'm using noun after the sorry, the adjective after the noun. Fine. But a determiners always comes before a noun. The form of an adjective can also change, like old, older, oldest, strong, stronger, strongest. But determiners, their form cannot be changed. They are the my will be used as a my only, or this will be used as a this only. So an adjective placed before a noun or as a complement of a noun. I already explained you this is a beautiful house. So here house is your beautiful is a complement for a house, but determiner can come only before a noun. So an adjective comes after a determiner. A determiner precedes other adjective that accompany it to any another. And now there are the different types of determiners. These are the articles, demonstrative, possessive, interrogative, distributive, and quantifiers. The rest five you must have read in the you can say in the adjectives. These are the same, using the same way only, the way we are using in the adjective, the same way we are using in there only. Be aware about the articles. Articles are of two types, a and the. A and an will be the indefinite article, and the will be considered as a definite one. A and an, when the thing is not been given to you, like a is being used before a consonant sound, and an is used before the vowel sound, like an ice cream, a book, and the will be given as a specific, like the things have been specified to you. So a is used in front of a singular countable nouns which are not specific, and is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not in specific, and the is in front of all the noun which is being someone or something or specific in it. So we don't use a before a countable or plural noun. Like I cannot use a sugar I want, a water I want. So these are the things where we are using it. We don't use and before uncountable noun. Same the things are there when the things are being plural. There also you are using the. Fine. So that is being used before a consonant sound, and this is used before a vowel sound. A cat, a house, a bird, a bike. These are the words. An apple, an egg, an hour, the earth, the world. So these are the few. Now you say that omission of articles, where the articles are not being used before the few nouns. These will be explaining as an zero article situation. So first one is the is not placed before a pronoun or nouns. Like Newton is a great scientist, not only England but also of the world. You are not using with in front of a proper noun. You are not no, you nowhere use in front of my name, like the Latasha is taking the class, or yeah, you will not take any person's name. Fine. An is not used before the name of the meal, like the breakfast, the lunch. I am eating my lunch, I am eating my this thing. You are not using a or an in front of it. But the can be used in the structure is as follows, particularly refer to material, gold, okay, the freedom, kingdom. Then the comes things. The this is the gold chain, right? Fine. So now I can say the is not used before the noun, meal, and game already discussed. Again, the is not used before the noun of the parts of the body, or you can say the name of the cloth. The is not used before school, college, church when they are used as a primary purpose. The is not used before the name of squares, buildings. Like I would not use this, the Shakti Khand, the JKG International School. Fine. So these are the few things where you are not using it. The is not used before the names of season and festivals as well. I know you know the festivals. The Diwali is not being fine. So now comes as a demonstrative pronoun there when the things are being pointing out, when you are pointing out the things. So these are the things which is being used, like this pair of shoes is mine. I think that girl is either their leader. So there I you can see that before a girl I have used that, and this is used for the singular. These and those used for the plural. But this and these, when the things are being near to you, you are using the demonstrative, and that and those will be used as a when the things are far away from you. So there you are using these things. So I hope that this has been clear. Yes, this has been considered as a demonstrative adjective also, that they both are the demonstrative determiner and adjective, both are playing the same hand in hand, the same way they are following it. So now possessives, my, your, his, her, its, are, and their. It's a form of a noun that shows that something or someone belongs to. Like if I would say that whose thing is, so I would say this is my pen. My pen, whose pen? This is my pen. The belonging of nest of the pen is mine. So there I am using the my word. So like example has been given to you. I will show you our new pet. This is my new pet. Quantifiers: few, much, most, any, some, more. These are the quantifiers which have been used. So quantifier, when the things amount is being not confirmed that how much amount is being given to you, there you are using the quantifiers. Then comes the interrogative determiners. They are also called the interrogative adjectives as well. I told you the few determiners which are following as an adjective will be considered as an adjective also. So they are called the interrogative determiners as they function to ask questions. What, which, whose, by the noun. Then comes a demonstrative. Distributive determinants. Distributive determinants are those that show the distribution of the things. The things has been distribution. Like I would say that I wanted to distribute the toffees in the class. So I will say every student will get two toffees. That means for every student I have taken the name. Fine. Neither of you are going, or either of the person is going. So each player of the team played his best. So this is the distribution of the thing. That means every player of the Indian team was playing their best. Right. So this was all about the determiners. I hope that you have understood it. Thank you so much.